Dear students and parents, welcome to the Test Prep Card channel. This video is going to be about National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, Odisha. So, in this video, we're going to discuss about the basic overview of National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, Odisha, and the various scholarships on offer, the various courses offered that you can actually seek admission in, and the other required entrance examination, and any other information that may be there with regards to the NRI students we are going to discuss in this video. So I would like to request you that please do completely watch this video. It's going to be interesting, and more so it's going to be very beneficial for all those who are looking forward to seek admission into the engineering courses here in Indian institutes, including the institutes like NIT Rourkela, which has a very good ranking in engineering. Let me tell you that it's all India rank 16 by the latest National Institutional Ranking Framework. So let's begin with a basic overview about this institution, and in case if you have any queries by the end of this video, I would like to tell you that you can actually ask those questions in the description or in the comment section, right? So let's begin, and let's get to know a little bit about this NIT Rourkela Odisha Institute. The city is obviously Rourkela, and it's a public owned institute, obviously, just like most of the NITs. And the accreditation is there, and the ranking has been very good. The latest one by NIRF. So it was established in 1961, so more than half a century of its existence, and it has a good campus of 647 acres, so that's a huge campus to be actually studying in. And it's ranked 16, as I told you, by NIRF, also by the QS India ranking. It's ranked 29, so that's a pretty much good ranking to have in 2020 year. So we are going to discuss about the various courses being offered, and that there are a lot many courses, 83 courses to name a few, across 5 streams. So, and the good thing is that the placements have a good salary package on offer, and the average salary package has been about 8 lakh per annum. So that's a good one for BTech courses. So let's start discussing something about the courses being offered by the NIT Rourkela Odisha. So first of all, the eligibility for and the NRI quota that you must be very much interested in. So the NRI quota is definitely available at NIT Rourkela, and the seats available are 79 for the NRIs. And entrance exam obviously is going to be the JEE exam. 60,500 per semester is the fees for the Indian students, while it is US dollar 4,000 per semester for the NRI students under DASA, while under the CIWG the fees is again 62,500 per semester, more or less at the par with the Indian students. So this was all about the eligibility or the NRI quota, but the various courses offered, and the required entrance examination is very much important for the BTech and the Bachelor of Architecture courses at the NIT Rourkela. So the qualifying exam is obviously JEE Mains, and also apart from that, you need to have 75% aggregate score, 65% for SC/ST students. So much relaxation is there for SC/ST students, and you should actually be having top 20 percentile in the examination. So in the so that's very much important again. Then the Bachelor of Architecture courses, the fees is a little bit higher than the Bachelor of Technology. It's 6,40,000 in rupees, the total fee for the Bachelor of Engineering, while for the Architecture it's a little bit higher. It's close to 8 lakh, the total fees. The required entrance examination, more so of the PG programs, I would like to tell you that MSc is being there offered in chemistry, mathematics, and physics, and the qualifying exam is obviously IIT JAM. So the graduation in the relevant discipline with minimum 55% marks is as aggregate score is also required. So the MTech is in civil engineering, biotechnology, computer science, and engineering, and there as well the GATE score is required, and you need to have your BE BTech or even MSc in the relevant discipline with minimum 60% aggregate score. So the MBA course being offered, the qualifying exam is CAT, and for that you need to have a graduation in a relevant discipline with minimum 60% aggregate score again. So these were the required entrance examinations to seek admission in the various UG and PG programs on offer at NIT Rourkela Odisha. So let's move ahead and have a look at the required cutoff. The cutoff for the BTech courses in the general category, I would like to tell you, it has been for biomedical engineering from 6425 to 38,000 plus, biotechnology 16,815 in the opening rank round 1 to closing rank round 6 of 31,623. Ceramic engineering 22,000 up till 38,000. Then chemical engineering 7,930 to 19,650. Then you have the civil engineering specialization, in which your rank range is 12,633 to 21,000 almost. Computer science and engineering has the cutoff range of 871 up till 3296. Please consider that it is for Indian students from the general category in the BTech courses. Electrical engineering range is 5670 to 9436. Electronics and communication engineering cutoff range is 3811 to 5097. Electronics and instrumentation engineering 7500 up till 11,900. Food processing engineering 19,600 to 37,400. And industrial design 16,800 to 33,000. Then you have mechanical engineering 8,500 to 12,902. And then metallurgical and materials engineering 18,000 to 25,719. And mining engineering from 22,000 to 32,000. So this was the required cutoff at NIT Rourkela, Odisha. So then we have the application process as well. So the application process is for the admission in the UG courses as well as the PG courses. I told you the required entrance examination is followed by counseling as well at the NIT Rourkela. And the UG courses is usually followed by JOSSA counseling, JOSSA counseling, Joint Seat Allocation Authority counseling, you can call it, for the various NITs, just like the case with other NITs discussed in the videos before. So the Bachelor of Architecture admission is based on, again, JEE main paper, and international students can actually apply for the UG and the PG courses through direct admission of students from abroad. So this was about the application process at NIT Rourkela, but let me tell you about the scholarships. There are many scholarships on offer, and you can really look forward to seeking admission and availing these scholarships. So the post-matric scholarship, which is a merit-based scholarship, it is the TCS scholarship, and there is another TCS scholarship for CSE students by the Indian Oil Scholarship. That is the National Talent Scholarship, and then there is an ONGC scholarship as well. So there are a lot of scholarships, let me tell you. OP Jindal Engineering and Management Scholarship, Balmal Lorry and Co Limited scholarships. So these are the few scholarships, to name a few, that you can actually target. And apart from that, there is the scholarship on offer as well. And this pertains to the deemed university fellowship assistantship to meritorious students, PhD and MTech programs. So postdoctorate program and amount is 35,000. So that's a pretty good scholarship. PhD, MTech, M-Pharma, one needs to have a qualification for the PhD scholarship. For 4 years, it is in duration, and it's 18,000 to 20,000. And then that's per month. And PhD, for which you need to have any BTech, P-Pharma, MSc kind of eligibility or qualification, that will be available for 5 years, and that is 16 to 18,000 per month. And then MTech scholarship is there for 2 years, and that is a small amount of 8,000 per month, for which you need to have a valid GATE or a NET score as well. So this was all about the scholarships on offer at this NIT Rourkela, Odisha. So in case if you have any other questions left, you can actually ask those questions from the test prep card team in the comment section given below in this video. More so about the NRI cutoffs, you can actually find the link in the description. And if you still have any queries, please feel free to reach out and ask those questions in the comment section, and all your queries will soon be addressed. So at the end of this video, I would like to wish you, all of you who are going to appear or who are awaiting your results in the JEE examination to seek admission in the various UG programs at the NITs, including the NIT Rourkela, which has a good rank of All India 16 by the National Institutional Ranking Framework. So I wish you all the best for the upcoming examinations as well as your results, and I hope you are successful in all your endeavors that you're wishing for. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.